In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. A laundryman was pressing a shalwar suit. By chance, the owner of that suit was also sitting there in the same shop, maybe waiting to take the suit home. And the laundryman was too busy. He was pressing the clothes and he was too busy with the owner of the suit discussing about the Israel Palestinian conflict. He was advising and telling how the Palestinians can win the war, how the Palestinian can and they will win the war, and this is how they are going to do that. During this time, during this time, the suit was burnt, the kameez, the shirt got got a burn, was burnt because he was too absorbed in the conversation that he could not pay proper attention to the work he was doing, the work he was handling. And once he looked down, he found the suit has been burnt, the shirt has been burnt, the kameez has been burnt. He, he showed it to the owner and asked him, Didn't you didn't you treat it with a kulf, with a starch? And since you didn't do that, that is the reason that it was burnt. Otherwise, I am always pressing the cloths, I'm always pressing the cotton cloths, and never ever happened a thing like this one, because all the cloths which come to me, all the clothes which come to me, are treated with the starch, with the kulf. The owner of the suit was slightly generous person, and he didn't, uh, claim the compensation. Although he was obviously upset and a bit of angry, but he didn't abuse. Neither he abused nor, he asked for the compensation. The purpose of telling this story is the purpose of telling this story is that we, the people of Pakistan, so we know everything. We know a lot. We know a lot. We know how to do the politics. We know how to run the office of the prime minister. How to successfully become a ruler, the ruler of a country. We know everything except our own work, except our professional responsibilities, except our responsibilities as a member of a society. This is something which is the situation here in our society, unfortunately. What to do then? I think that we should pay enough attention to our responsibilities, our professional responsibilities on the one hand, and our responsibilities in general on the other hand. The responsibilities of a worker in a particular profession first, and then our role as the member of society. Wherever we are, I think that we should try to make the things easy for the general public, for the people who come to us, for the people we are encountering. We should try to make the things easy for us, and that is something I think which will be our biggest achievement. We don't have to become a philosopher, we don't have to become a scholar, everybody don't have to become a politician, a political leader, an MP. We don't need to do all that, but at least we do know what we need to do is that we need to work whatever we have to do as a member of a profession in quite a responsible manner, and then as a member of society we have to act quite quite responsibly, and we don't have to create the difficulties for the people. We don't have to enhance the difficulties which are already there for the people of society. Neither we have to enhance the already existing difficulties, nor we have to create the new difficulties. Rather we should try to create the rather we should try to make the things slightly easy for the people. And this is after the profession. I think if at all we do succeed in doing this thing, if at all we do try to act like this one, I think this would mean that our role is not any way lesser than the our role is not any way lesser than that of the people than the that than that of the people at the helm of the affairs. Then I think it is more important than becoming a political commentator. It is more important than being a politician, than being a bureaucrat, than being an MP, than being a big businessman. I think the first and the foremost thing is to act in quite a responsible manner in our profession, and then as a member of society in general. And we should abandon our quest to become a versatile. We should abandon our quest to be an expert of the most important thing. We are not supposed to do the most important thing in the society, in the country. And this is how I think we should do. Thank you.